When spring would come, the leaves would bud, and I couldn't wait to see those two trees in my front yard casting off their seed. As the rains came down and soaked the ground, the leaves would slowly grow, and I knew that one day on the breeze I'd finally see the show. Propeller rain, see the baby silver maples falling down. Propeller rain, as mommies cast their little seedlings to the ground. And as I sat there by the trunk, felt like snow in the spring, as propeller rain would spin to earth and fall all over me. It's been years since I left home, it's city life for me. I spend 6 days a week inside this factory. Through the window of my station, just down by the street, stands a silver maple mama quietly. Propeller rain, see the baby silver maples falling down. Propeller rain, as mommy casts those little seedlings to the ground. And I dream I'm sitting by that trunk, feels like snow in the spring, as propeller rain will spin to earth and fall all over me. Yeah, all of my co-workers, they must think that I'm crazy. Right here below this silver maple feels like home to me. Propeller rain, see the baby silver maples falling down. Propeller rain, as mommy casts those little seedlings to the ground. And as I'm sitting by this trunk, feels like snow in the spring, as propeller rain would spin to earth and fall all over me. Yeah, as I'm sitting by this trunk, feels like home to me, as propeller rain would spin to earth and fall all over me. Propeller rain.